major advantage of Ascendor platform stair lifts is their compact design. When the platform is folded up out of the way, it requires a space of only 25 centimeters for the straight and 32 centimeters for the curved stair lift. This offers our customers the maximum usable stair width when the lift is not in use. The attractive appearance and timeless elegance of our stair lifts is not only designed to impress, but also to allow them to be easily integrated into each customer's individual situation. The upper rail is made of high quality stainless steel and serves as both a transport rail and a clean, practical handrail. All our platform stair lifts are TÜV approved and carry the European Conformity certification. The integrated rechargeable batteries fitted in each unit ensure that our lift systems can continue to operate even in the event of a power failure. Our deliberate and considered design ensures our lift systems are protected against vandalism and will impress you with their durability and long service life. The synchronized opening and closing of the platform and barriers is fully automatic and combines with the sensor buttons to make operation both practical and effortless, and can be uprated to carry a maximum payload of 300 kilograms.